Hello all, so welcome back to our channel again. Okay, so after installation all the prerequisites, here we have Angular solution. So we have node_module section, so it has all the library required for the Angular to build the application like webpack and all. Then we have a SASI where we going to write our code like as per our requirement, and later we know how we can create a framework in this application with respect to if we are going to create a bigger application, so how we can work on that. Okay, then we have something important in this which we can look on. So we have package.json file where like all the commands are written, like for start ngserve, like ngbuild, which version we are actually using in this application for which library. So it is all mentioned here, like TypeScript we are using 8.3.8.3, sorry, and it has predecessor also inbuilt, so we can write the automation test cases also for the application. So okay, so now let's take a look how this Angular application, what is exactly the starting point, where how it works. Okay, so basically there is a like a ts that is main.ts file, and here from this page, basically once when Angular, after the building, after the compilation of the code, it triggered this ts page, and we have written the bootstrap module like app module. So it look for this app.module file. Then in app.module file we have bootstrap the app component, so it actually looking for this app component, and this app component, it has the css file, SCSS file, and along with the template, HTML template. Okay, so that's all. I think I've given a good brief about the application. Now there are two commands basically. One is the ngbuild, which basically build the application. It might take like a minute or so, and if you don't want to build, if you want to run the application directly, then you can write ngserve -o. So this might also take a minute to open the application on a browser. Okay, so once the build has completed, then we can have application like this. So I have not created anything, I have not written much more on the HTML part. Later we'll do that. Okay, so and now this application is very kind of a initial phase. We have not installed any bootstrap, we have not written any code, we have not done any so far. So okay, but not to worry about, we'll do everything later. Yep. Okay, so for this video I think that is sufficient for this session. So in next session we're going to learn how we can install the bootstrap in our Angular application and how we can use that, because I have just written a code which is actually not working. The CSS is not taking from the bootstrap file because it is not installed yet, so that's the reason. Okay, but in next session we'll look on that part. Okay, thank you all.